Okay, so we have a 2016 Sorento, and I'm going to show you how to take the door panel off. And we've got one screw. That part's the easy part, but we're trying to get to this master switch, which we already did, and this thing sucks to get to. So let's start with this. One screw, start in the corner, kind of tight over here. Pull everything out, pull everything out, pull everything out, pull everything out, pull her up, and there you go. Now, handle, easy, also easy. Little guy right there, easy, also easy. Now you have to get these guys out. Two clips. Let's see. Let me get some light in here. I'll do it this way because I already have it out. Clip there, clip there. Gotta get them out, but you gotta do it from the inside. So I tilted the whole door panel upward to get to this one. This little guy. This is the easy one. So you unplug this one. Now this guy's going to stay. We're showing you the aftermath because it's so much easier with it in your hand. So let me get this guy out. Try to. Can I do it with one hand? No, of course not. Let's use a pick. My handy dandy tool. Love this thing. Push in here and I'll pop out. So let's do that. And just like that, it's out. Mirror. 310 mils. And one harness. You've got both hands. Hold this guy. Squeeze these. And the whole puck will fall out in your hand. And I will show you. There you go. Fully out. So this guy just lines back in. And then you gotta just sort of guide him back in. So, there you go. There you have it. Which is nice because it keeps it from falling off. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.